Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Realme Q5 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter safe mode on this phone. So firstly you need to press and hold together power button and volume up buttons. Then click power off and wait until device disabled. Then press and hold power button. Wait until second Realme logo will appear on your screen, and then press and hold volume down. It's first Realme logo. Now just wait for the second logo. And now just press and hold volume down button. And as you can see, now we are in the safe mode. Here we see transparent safe mode square, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.